In that totality, there is a question. It doesn't have to be 5 questions or 4 questions or 3 questions. It can be one question. There is a question. And that the dignity of human life should demand that we retry the case, we reinvestigate the case, we relook at the case, and we stop putting these immunity allowances on prosecutors and on judges and on cops, because if they've put themselves in jeopardy, they don't deserve immunity. That is an honorable position. It is you're a guard of justice. You know, you're an officer of the court. You're supposed to be a champion of the people. You're not supposed to be looking out for yourself. And if they put themselves in that position, they deserve to be questioned.
So my earlier question then about the unhappiness with Mr. Koster appealing this case, you would agree with the Innocence Project folks that the facts have been laid out, we don't need an appeal?
Absolutely. Absolutely. The facts have been laid out. They've been clarified. They've been stated. They're without question. And because of that, because their case is without question, the case is closed. And the Attorney General's office needs to walk away. They're only appealing because of their pride. They just got beat. They just got wounded. Give it up. Let the man live. I mean, there's other cases to prosecute. There's literally thousands of cases in this state right now that deserve their attention because there are guilty men who deserve to be prosecuted. This gentleman isn't one of them. Leave him alone. That's my opinion. He's been going through this for 30 years. His mother has persevered for 30 years. His sister has persevered for 30 years. I've seen men lose their entire families when they were in prison. I was in for 16 years. Not even a year after I got out, my grandfather died. My father died earlier this year. If I was this gentleman, my family would have been dead by the time I got out. So let him enjoy his family.